Hey guys, welcome to Warren's Workshop. Today we're going to talk about, you guessed it, lawnmowers. There's a lot of things that go into making a lawnmower work, and today we're going to show you what it takes to get it up and running. I have a question for you. Do you know what lawnmowers are used for? Let me think. If you guessed cutting grass, you're correct. They use sharp blades underneath here to cut your grass. So let's have a look. When you're using a lawnmower, you can never put your hands under the bottom. That's where the sharp blades are that cut the grass. So we'll go ahead and flip it back over. Now, before we mow, there's a few things that we need to check. This lawnmower needs oil and gas. So first things first, we're going to check the oil. I'm going to twist this and pull it out, and we can look and check our oil level, and it looks good to me. So we'll put that back in there. The next thing we need to check is our gas. We can unscrew this cap and we look down inside. Now let's have a look at what I can see. When we look down, you can see that there's a little bit of gas in there, but we should probably add more. Now remember kids, if you're using gas, you should always have your parent do it for you because it can be a little bit dangerous. So now we have our gas can. We're going to remove the lid and put some gas in our mower. All right, that should be enough. There we go. And now, once our gas is in the mower, we put the lid back on and twist it. So now it's nice and tight. Now there's a few things that we need to know to keep us safe before we start mowing. The first thing we should do is protect our eyes and use safety glasses. My safety glasses are clear, but if it's really sunny out, you could use sunglasses. The next thing is, it's very hot outside. So today, to not get burned by the sun, I'm wearing a shirt and a hat. And the last thing that we're going to do to keep us safe is use earmuffs to protect our ears so that the noisy mower isn't too loud and doesn't hurt our ears. Now that we have all of our safety equipment on, let's take the mower out and learn how to start it. All right guys, now that we've checked our oil and our gas, we have our safety equipment on, let's start the mower. We're going to squeeze this little lever right here, and that gives the mower gas. And next, we're going to pull this string really hard. Here we go. Almost. And we did it guys, we did it. Nice work. All right, guys, that was so much fun mowing this first little patch of grass, but now we got to move on to the main lawn. Let's go have a look. guys, sometimes we have piles of really tall, nasty grass. Let's see what this mower can do. Here we go. Wow, guys, this tall grass was no match for our lawnmower. Wow, guys, we did it. Look at that fresh cut lawn. Needs a little fertilizer and some more water for these parts, but we did such a good job. Thanks for mowing with me. And now you might ask, where did all the grass go? I'll tell you, it went into this big bag right here. So let's go take it to our green can where we put our green waste and empty it out. All right, we made it. And if you see, the green can is for mulch and for green waste, which is like grass clippings and sticks and other things. How'd that get in there? So now if we look at our mower, you can see we have this nice big bag that holds all of our grass clippings. And if we lift this up right here, you can see there's a lot of grass in there. So let's see if we can get this off. Wow. Look at all that grass. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dump it into our green can. Oh, it's really heavy. Whoa. Wow, look at all that. We did that today. And we made a little bit of a mess right here, so let's go ahead and clean that up too. We'll use our dustpan. All right, good job cleaning up, guys.
Well, hey guys, I hope you had fun learning about lawnmowers with me today. Let's go over what we learned. First, we learned what a lawnmower does. It cuts grass. And then we learned where to not touch on a lawnmower, which is under there where the sharp blades are. We also learned how to check the oil, gas in. We learned how to start the mower by pulling on its string and squeezing the little handles. And we also saw where the grass goes when you cut your grass and where you should put it. Now, something that we should go over is that on a hot day, you can sweat a lot and get very Very